Saginaw native Jenny Ryan gearing up for her junior year of basketball at the University of Michigan.
It seems like every game comes down to the last 5 minutes, and being mentally and physically capable at the end is the biggest thing.
Jenny says she's come a long way since her freshman year in Ann Arbor when she had to adjust to the speed of the college game.
Everything just moves faster, whether it's picking up a play, picking up a drill, getting ready for a team, everything just moves at a lot faster pace.
But in no time, Jenny made her mark.
Jenny Ryan brings a degree of toughness that you just really can't explain. She makes the players around her better. Jenny's a winner.
Jenny says she gets that competitive edge and discipline from her days playing at Nouvel Catholic High School, where she was named Miss Basketball in 2009.
It's just the tradition that is at Nouvel and within their athletic department. We just pride ourselves on being competitive, working hard, and being the best.
Jenny has started every game but one during her career at Michigan, and she's also been named to the Big Ten All-Academic team.
I love the University of Michigan, and it's a fine academic institution, as everyone knows, and just combining that with competing in the Big Ten and the social life here and the football games, you just couldn't ask to be in a better place.
Except for maybe when it comes to dinner time.
Definitely the home-cooked meals. I'm not one to take the time to cook at home, especially with the busy life I lead.
Jenny Suniga, NBC 25 News.